Hey everybody, it's your boy Dino Dean.
And the First Lady of Food, Miss Coretta.
And we are the Black Foodies.
Come join the Black Foodies for a culinary ride you'll never forget, as we travel coast to coast to show you some of the best cuisine around. Tasting and traveling, showcasing the restaurants you need to know about. And as we always say, we never turn down a great dish.
I'm just gonna dig right in.
And we rank restaurants off of kisses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 being the best. So join us on our next foodie venture that we are about to start right now. Give me that potato.
Greedy man.
Today we are in the Noble Square neighborhood right next to Wicker Park here in the city of Chicago. Brothers Hakim and Chonga Lee have brought their family restaurant all the way from Buffalo, New York.
Established 40 years ago, the place is called Dr. Bird's Jamaican Patty Shack, and they are offering up authentic East Coast Jamaican meat patties, jerk chicken, and a whole lot more.
FYI, the Dr. Bird is a hummingbird native to Jamaica and also the island's national bird.
So hang out with us for some island vibes here in Chicago.
What's going on, Chicago? My name is Chonga Lee from Dr. Bird's, one of the co-owners. Here from Buffalo, New York. Just want to show Chicago, introduce our Jamaican style to Chicago, and thank you for welcoming us to the city. We're located 1215 North Milwaukee. Come through for some Jamaican nice gourmet cuisine food, and appreciate the love. Thank you.
We are starting things off with an absolutely delicious looking spread. I'm very excited to try this. How about you?
Oh yes, yes,
We're gonna start off with these meat patties. Could you hand me a little something?
So I'm gonna give Dino the spicy beef patty.
Spicy beef patty.
And then I have the chicken patty.
And these are very traditional with Jamaican cuisine. Very good. And very spicy. Yes, it is. It's starting to kick in now.
The chicken's not too spicy, but this flaky crust,
Super flaky, super good. And this right here, we had it before we started filming. This curry sauce, it's a curry aioli, what do they call it?
the Erie aioli.
The Eddie aioli.
So everything's all good.
This is magic. I just want to dive in it. This is so good. Nice curry flavor to it. It's not overpowering. Outstanding.
Yeah. This was a good starter.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Now we're going to move on to the what?
The poutine.
Poutine, guys. For those of you that don't know, poutine is the national dish of Canada. So we have a little fusion going on here. Jerk chicken shawarma, which is Middle Eastern shawarma. Cheese curds.
And fries.
Poutine, which is from Canada. And the jerk, that's coming from the Caribbean. Check it out.
Cheese curds. Oh wow. You're going to love these cheese curds, honey.
I'm loving this jerk chicken
Oh my
shawarma.
gosh, yes. The batter on these cheese curds, this is delightful. Oh wow.
You can really taste the allspice on the shawarma. Very, very good. But I am a cheese curd type of guy.
Yeah.
We're gonna go with these cheese curds
Man.
with the chicken.
Have some little slices of jalapenos.
This is just the definition of good fusion comfort food. Everything is just working.
All on this beautiful platter.
So come on up here and make sure you try the poutine. Outstanding. But once again, I love this spaghetti sauce. Wow. That is really good. And while Miss Credit is chowing down on this poutine, I'm gonna try something very interesting. And it's the roti. And what it is, it's an Indian flatbread, and on top of it, they have jerked jackfruit, carrots, as well as
Cucumber slaw.
cucumber slaw. And it's like a huge taco.
Wow, look at that. Oh, wow.
This is a something. You vegans, I promise you, make your way up here and try this roti with this jerk jackfruit. Y'all gonna be bugging this man forever. Y'all gonna be up here when they first open, hanging out till they close. This is amazing.
Pass it on, pass it on.
I will try it.
Gosh. Looks good.
That is just yummy. Jerk jackfruit.
Wow. Prepared very well.
Oh my goodness.
Never had jerk chicken. Jerk chicken.
You see?
Jerk jackfruit.
She thought it was chicken.
This good.
It's very good. And the way they seasoned it, man, this is absolutely smashing, guys. And we are now moving on to the jerk Cornish hen. Not just jerk chicken, jerk Cornish hen, guys. And tell them about this cabbage.
Sure. The cabbage is called the star-boiled slaw, and it consists of cabbage, broccoli, carrots, Jamaican spice, and gochujang.
Gochujang, another fusion, guys. Got a little Korean influence in the cabbage. And the cocoa rice, which is a coconut rice, and the cocoa bread. I'm gonna start off with the cocoa bread. Absolutely. Another delightful bite. Flaky, light on the inside. This is really good.
Little donut holes.
It's almost like a cornbread donut. Sort of, kind of. That's what I get from this. A really good cornbread that's made into a donut. Really, really good. Now, which you want to try next?
Well, I want to try this cocoa rice.
Okay.
Cocoa rice is a jasmine rice, coconut cream, and chicken stock.
It's cocoa bread,
And
isn't
I
it?
love jasmine rice.
It's good.
Yes. Just infused with coconut flavor, and this rice is like cooked to perfection.
Cabbage.
Yummy. How was that?
It's really good. It just is. There's also hints of coconut in the cabbage as well. Man, they doing it big time up in here, guys. I love the fusion of flavors. Traditional Jamaican flavors with flavors from all over the world, all on one plate. You can't beat this, guys.
Delicious.
Now,
Alright, half a chicken for you, and half a chicken for me.
Cornish hen.
Those cute little halves.
Look how tender that was.
Yeah.
Very good. you need to have the pimento wood. And they definitely have the pimento wood smoking going on with this. Such a great authenticity to this cuisine. Just absolutely yummy.
And very, very, very tender. Wow.
I'm gonna go back in on this cabbage. Oh God.
That's delightful.
All I can tell you is make your way on down to Dr. Bird's Jamaican Patty Shack. And it's not just about the patties, guys. The whole menu is an eclectic blend of flavors from all over the world with a heavy Caribbean influence.
And check out this place. You can't beat the vibe at all.
No, you can't, guys. So come on through.
And I'm gonna have some of those drinks infused with rum. Whenever I go to the Caribbean, I have to get the rum cake.
Yes, she does.
Yes. And here they have the rum cake. They got rum ice cream, cherry rum ice cream. Wow. I'm bringing it in.
The dessert queen doing what she do.
Yes, yes,
Let me try something.
Right,
Here, just going at it. And this is cherry.
That's the cherry rum.
Cherry rum ice cream that they make in-house. I feel all warm and fuzzy inside after that. That is good.
Yeah,
And there's real flakes of coconut in this as well.
yeah.
That is amazing.
And all of these are house made. So you're
As
getting
well as
nothing but
this.
fresh desserts here. That rum cake, look at that.
There you go. I take a little piece.
Infused with rum. Yum, yum.
It is outstanding. And it's not that $5 liquor store rum on the corner. This is some quality spirits, guys, I can tell. Wow.
And then when you eat it with the rum ice cream, what a treat.
So guys, come on out to Dr. Bird's Jamaican Patty Shack. Brand new here in the city of Chicago. You have a brand new Caribbean restaurant contender in town. And
Y'all
they
better get on
ain't
over
playing
here. No, y'all better get here
all
fast.
the cheesy. And guys, right now we're going to give you our recap on Dr. Bird's Jamaican Patty Shack. And as you guys know, our ranking system goes off of kisses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 being the best. You ready, Miss Coretta?
I'm ready.
1 kiss. 2 kisses. 3 kisses. 4 kisses. 5, baby. I got 5 on it. They are really clowning up here at Dr. Bird's. The food is sensational. I love the fusion from around the world that they mix with Caribbean food. I suggest, highly suggest, you make your way on up here and get down with the get down, baby. Food is off the chain.
And if you have a restaurant you would like for us to showcase, email us at theblackfoodies@gmail.com.
theblackfoodies@gmail.com. We're gonna take these leftovers home and finish doing what we do, guys. Come on up and check them out and give this wonderful brother duo from Buffalo a warm Chicago welcome. We are out of here, guys.
One love.
Can I put up one love?
Bye.
Make sure you go to our website, theblackfoodies.com, for all things food, and check out our directory of Black-owned and operated restaurants in the Chicagoland area, BOO, B-O-O. You can also purchase the Black Foodies merchandise. It helps us support our Black-owned restaurants. The link is in the description below. Thanks.